Seaweeds are at the origin of life and play a very important part on the planet balance. We all know that our oceans are under increasing pressure due to our human activities. Seaweed have incredible qualities and are used in many industries such as food, cosmetics and nutraceuticals. We are talking about 35 million tons of seaweed in the world. Asia produces the majority of the world's seaweed, and 97% of this production is done through seaweed farming. Europe is the opposite, harvesting seaweed from natural resources to supply various businesses. Seaweed farming will be the only way to meet the growing market demand. Europe has incredible potential to address this challenge. The great advantage of seaweed farming is that this production is possible without inputs and without fresh water. We only need sunlight and the nutrients naturally present in the oceans. Open sea cultivated seaweed has also the potential to enhance marine biodiversity. The positive impact of seaweed cultivation on marine biodiversity is often considered a given, but still lacks scientific substantiation. These benefits include creating habitats and food for fish, birds, and marine mammals, as well as locally reducing water acidity, which can support shellfish development and counter the effects of climate change. The project Farmbiodiv aims to precisely, rigorously, and innovatively measure these effects on seaweed farms. This project will be conducted by two main partners: Algolesko, the largest seaweed farm in France, with 330 hectares in Brittany. With its 10 years of expertise, Algolesko has developed seeding techniques, at-sea culture structures and processing line. The second partner is Roscoff Biological Station, a leading scientific center in Europe specialized in seaweed with over 70 researchers in this field. The assessment of the impact of seaweed culture on biodiversity will be implemented in the new cultivation site of Algolesko at Moëlan-sur-Mer. Various indicators will be tracked to measure the ecosystem benefits of the seaweed farm, such as diversity abundance of marine species, chemical properties of the water, or carbon content. These measurements will be taken both before and after the installation of the seaweed farm, as well as at control sites located some distance from the farm. The results of this study, analyzed by Roscoff Biological Station, could accelerate the development of the seaweed sector.